There is something common in all of us that we always think about the things that we are surrounded. We always feel is stuck in maintaining so many household things such as TV, fridge, washing machine, geyser, AC, microwave, coffee maker, lights, fans, pets, garden, security, electricity bill, water bill, this, that. I remember in my childhood, whenever my parents had a plan to go on a family trip or in a relative marriage for a few days, then it was the big issue who would take care of my house in absence of us. Mark Weiser, who was a computer scientist and he's also called the father of ubiquitous computing. Ubiquitous computing is not a technology, it is actually about number of computer in one's life. In 1988, he gave a very unique and interesting statement, guys. He said, why always think about the things? Why things can't think about us? He further added that after a hectic and tiring day, when I am returning back to my house, why my house should not welcome me in a beautiful way? Why my bathroom should not ask whether I need to get fresh? Why my coffee maker should not ask whether I would love to have a cappuccino or a normal coffee? And why should not my smart TV should ask which type of music I would like to listen at that particular instant of time? It was the thought given by Mark Weiser. Yes, now this would be all possible with some smart technologies, and one of such technologies is called Internet of Things. If you feel excited and curious to know more about Internet of Things, or if you have even a small idea that the entire world and all jobs are going to rolling out around few technology, and Internet of Things is one of that major technology out of them, and you should also need to shift your career to keep going in your life, then no doubt this is the right time to learn and adopt this technology. Hi, I'm Dr. Ansar Ahmed, having more than 20 years of teaching, learning and research experience. I have designed a beautiful and easy to go through IoT workshop that would be able to teach you about basic to advanced of IoT, IoT architecture, application of IT, different hardware components and software used in IoT with practical hands-on exposure in IoT based project with lifetime guidance and support. You can subscribe this workshop on Udemy. The link is given in description box. Thank you so much.